Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is me Muskan Gupta, and today I am back with a very interesting topic. And today I'm going to create this look, you can see, and this look I have created with my fingers. Can you believe I have done this whole makeup, the eyeshadow, the foundation, and even the lipstick and the mascara? Everything with just my fingers. If you want to know how I created this look, so keep watching my video. Before starting the makeup, first I am prepping my skin properly. So for prepping my skin, here I am using a moisturizer from Good Vibes. It's a orange gel moisturizer. It's a very good for summer season. After using moisturizer, I am using a sunscreen. This sunscreen is from Wow. It's a matte sunscreen and it's very good for the oily skin. So I'm applying this sunscreen all over my skin very gently, on my neck also. So after using sunscreen, here I am using a primer. So this is a silicone based primer, Blue Heaven primer. Since it's a no brush makeup challenge, so I am taking the primer on my finger and gently applying on my skin with the help of fingers only. You can see how I am applying. Primer is very much important for before makeup because it helps to blur out the pores in our skin and helps to glide the foundation very well. Here I am applying Swiss Beauty concealer, a dark concealer than my skin tone, to just hide my discoloration on the skin. I am applying it where there is needed, like on my dark areas, especially around my mouth and dark circles under the eyes. I'm blending the concealer with the help of my fingers. You can see how I am blending. I'm not dragging the product. I am just dabbing the product with the help of fingers. It will give a nice coverage. So I'm blending it on my eyes also. So after blending the concealer properly, now I am going to use a foundation. This is a Maybelline Superstay Full Coverage Foundation. I am taking it on the back of my hand and applying all over my skin with the help of my fingers. I am applying it on the dotted motion. Foundation application will be very easy if we'll apply it in the dotted motion. I am using the foundation on my neck also to give the even look. Now I am using my finger to blend the foundation very well. You can see how I am blending the foundation. Dab, 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 dab. Dabbing motion you should use, not a dragging motion. So this foundation is very good for the oily skin. It just stays on your skin very well for more than 20, like literally it stays on your skin for 20 or 24 hours. And it's glide very well on the skin. So I'm blending it properly. I'm taking my time to blend the foundation very well. Otherwise, I'm using the fingers to use the blend the foundation. It will be cakey if I'll not blend the foundation very well. So after using the foundation, here I'm taking a loose powder. So I'm using my finger to just pick up the loose powder and applying under my eyes and on my eyelids and around my mouth, so that the foundation stays on its place very well. I'm not using the compact powder because it will be very hard to use the compact with my hands, so I'm taking the loose powder. So I'm using in my jawline also to create the sharp look, but since I'm using my fingers, so it can't be more precise. So after using after completing my base, here I'm starting with my eye makeup. So I'm using the Hilary Rhoda palette, and I'm taking a pink shade from the palette and just applying on my crease line with the help of small finger. You can see how I'm blending the eyeshadow. I'm doing the same on the other eye also. Now I'm taking another eyeshadow and taking a white shimmery shade and placing on my inner corners. Applying eyeshadow on the inner corners helps to give your eyes more brighter and bigger look. And from the same eyeshadow palette, I'm using a shimmery golden shade on my eyelids. So it's a very simple eye makeup. I'm not using very much product because I'm using my hands, so I can't create a very dramatic look with my hands. Now for my eyebrows, here I'm taking a Lakme Absolute brow pencil, and with the help of my fingers, I'm taking the product on my fingers and blending it on my eyebrows. My eyebrows are already bushy, so I don't need to fill it, but on my gaps I'm just blending it. So after my eyebrows, now here I'm using the kajal on my waterline, lower waterline. So here I have completed my eye makeup. Only I need to apply the mascara. So here I am using the Maybelline Hyper Curl mascara, and I am taking the product on my finger and just dragging the product on my eyelashes, so that product coats on my eyelashes. So I'm doing the same on my another eyes, pressing the product on my eyelashes. I'm just pressing it. So I'm done with the mascara also. My hands have already become very messy. So now I'm using pink lipstick for my blush, and you can see how beautiful the blush is, lipstick is gliding on my face as a blush. It's looking very good, pinky blushy look. So after using the blush, here I'm using a lipstick, and I'm using a pink lipstick and applying on my lips with the help of fingers. I'm taking the lipstick on my small finger and just lining on my lips. You just need to take small amount of lipstick. Should not use a lot of product directly because it would just dry up very fast. I'm not just much satisfied with the color, so I'm using another lipstick from Matte Me. I'm just applying this shade on my center of the lips. Now the color have turned out very well. So I can't believe that I have applied the lipstick with the help of my fingers. It's looking so well. Now I'm cleaning the fingers with the help of wipes. Guys, I created this look with my fingers today. I don't believe it's looking so good. Even I applied my lipsticks, my did my eye makeup, and even my brows with these fingers. So if you like this type of challenges, like today I did makeup without this brush and beauty blender, so the makeup turned out so good. This is a very beginner friendly video. If you don't have makeup tools like brushes and sponges, that doesn't mean that you don't know how to do makeup. So look at this, it's looking good, and the foundation have also blend so well without using any beauty blender. I've just used my hands, these fingers. So if you like this type of challenges like fingers and another more challenges which you want me to do, so do comment in the comment box down. So till then, bye bye guys, and don't forget to hit the like button, and please don't forget to share my video as many people as you can, and please support me. So till then, bye bye.